This is the Iron Trader. The pitch just closed here at 2:30, so we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not recognition to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily chart. Now, what we want to look at here first is just a couple things, just a quick review. We want to look at this negative divergence here on your RSI. We want to look at this negative MACD here with the green crossover over the red, okay? Now, that being said, what we want to look here on the upside is we want to look at this 21 SMA here. You're sitting at 81.02, and we want to look at this key 8 SMA here sitting at 81.71. Now, if this 8 SMA here crosses over that 21 day, like it did here, then we're going to have a nice sell down. See how it crossed over here? Then we had a bear flag right into it. Then down, then a bear flag, and then down, another bear flag. Okay, so this is shaping up to be a bear flag here again, and you could not get above this 21 day. Now, what I want to point out, though, if it can close, the price can close next week back above 81.02 and back above the 81.71, then that would negate the bear flag pattern, okay? And then we'd be looking for upside, okay? So then what we do is we look for the low here, be 81.76. Then we have here, you have 82.91. Then we have, on this candle here, you got 83.20. Then we looked at this candle right here. This is very key. This is 83.53. Then we'd have 83.81. You'd have 84.65. And your retest up here is 84.89. That would be your upside if you can close above the 21 and you can close above this key 8 SMA. Now, if this 8 SMA rolls over and this bear flag plays out, well, now what we're doing is we want to look to this bottom of this candle here. This is 79.05, which lines up perfectly with the 79.05 on this. Then what you want to do is look to the bottom of this candle here. You're looking at 78.69. That would be support. And then look to the top of this candle here, which is 77.33. This was the breakout, okay? So when you look as it ran up into the 200, came down, right up in the 200 day, came down, and then broke out to there. That is your breakout, and then she went up really nice. So you always want to look at that for a retest, and then right below that is this key 200 SMA sitting at 76.62. Now, below that, if that's lost, then we look to the 50-day. You're looking at 75.69. Then we have your Hondo there. You're looking at, let me see here. Okay, you're looking at 75.25. Okay, but the key is going to be this 200-day support level here on the downside. Now, watch this key 8 SMA here. I can't stress it enough. If it crosses over, then this bear flag will play out and she'll go down. If this price on Monday can get back above this 21-day and that 8 SMA here, then that bear flag is negated, that pattern, and she will rip higher. All right, let's take a look here on a weekly and a monthly. Okay, your monthly here, not looking really that bad here, okay? You're still above all your SMAs. You're only halfway into the month here. Again, this key, 83.53 above, then there's your target. That'd be at 86.13 is your 21 SMA. Now, here, weekly chart, okay? Well, obviously, you see this right here. There's your 83.53. Now, you made a higher high, but you couldn't close up there for the week. That is the key. So that's basically a double top in play. Now we have this red candle here, which is basically a lower low than the previous weeks. Okay, so that's really not good. However, this is the key support. If you can hold that 78.13 and we can hold this 8 SMA here at 77.90, then we're looking good here. Now, this 8 SMA might cross above that 50, and if that price holds, then you got a good shot at this running right back up. So don't have any opinion. But again, if what you have to have is you have to hold that key 50, that 8 SMA. If not, then you're going to be looking here for the 75 level here on your 21 SMA. Now, again, if this is lost right here, this 200-day, there's your target at 68.35, and then we have your retest here at 63.64. Okay, so remember, watch that 50 SMA here. Watch this 8 SMA. If it can keep right on running here somehow, and this holds, then you got a good shot at just reversing and go higher. If it doesn't, then she's going to come right on down. All right, let's see what happened with Natty Gas today. All right, Natty Gas, you have your hourly and you have your 4-hour chart. Now, obviously, you had a nice low here, a higher low, nice double bottom, but could not hold, okay? Rallied up a little bit, just could not do it, and then came right on down. Now, today we set another low at 2.52, okay? So now that's going to be key support level here. If that is lost, then we have to just keep on looking all the way to the left here. So here was the level right there. You're sitting at 2.529. It came down to 2.524, okay? So then you have to go to the next level here. So what we have here is basically you got 2.49. We have 2.475, and then your big retest here is 2.457. If that's lost, well, it's man out the window time because she's going to go a lot lower. Now, on the upside, you want to watch this 8 SMA here. Okay, you're sitting at 2.55, and then you have your 21 at 2.58, and then you have your 50 there, sitting at 2.59. Your retest is 2.63, 2.66, and then your big target up there is 2.74. On your 4-hour chart here, watch the 8 SMA here, 2.58, and then watch 2.61. But your target is going to be 2.66. That's your 200 estimate. If you can rally up higher, then you got 2.74 on your 50-day, which lines up really nice here with your 200 SMA here. Okay, but again, watch this key because you set a lower low again today. That's really not good. You're below this 8 SMA here, not good. So if you can come down here, retest this, and hold this, well, then that might be a buying opportunity. All right, let's take a look here on a weekly chart. All right, here we have a weekly chart here, okay? So what we got here is basically you sold right down past this 8 SMA here. So now you're at 2.64. That is your key upside here. This is your downside, 2.44, which lines up really nice with that 2.45. That is going to be your key support levels here. Now, on the upside, what you want to do is it really needs to get back above and close above this 8 SMA here. And then you got a shot here running right back up here at the 3.018. Here on your monthly chart here, well, you got to watch this 8 SMA sitting at 2.53. You know, that's going to be for the month there. If it can rally up here, then we look for this 100 SMA here sitting at 3.25. But that's going to be way off because you got to get above this key level here at 3.027. All right, let's look at a daily. All right, here we have a daily chart all stretched out. You can see right here, okay, your 2.87 here. You got a lower high, 2.86, and then down she comes, okay? So those are your key levels there going back on the upside here to get your retest there of 3.027. However, that being said, you got to get above this key 50 SMA sitting at 2.62. You have to get above this 21-day sitting at 2.67, and then you have your 8-day at sitting at 2.72. So you got a lot of resistance overhead here, and on the downside here, well, you know, you just can't get off the schneid with this here. So what you want to do is look at the retest here on your price channel at 2.45. If that is lost, then we look to this Hondo right here sitting at 2.43. Then you can work yourself all the way on right on down. But right now, this is just a scalper's market here. I scalped a cold KOLD today. I scalped it twice, got 2.5 points. So that wasn't too bad. But until you can get something rolling here, so basically just watch this price channel here. This is going to be the tell. 2.45 on the bottom there, and then you got 3.01 on the 8. Now, I will be back Sunday night, right when the futures open there at 6 o'clock, and we will review crude oil and natural gas, and we'll get you rolling there for Monday. All right, have a great weekend, and thanks for watching.